today with the 2013 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, FWD, child safety rear door locks, airbags, cargo area light, brake assist, cloth seat trim, engine immobilizer, body color bumpers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.